In this video, I'll show you how to use MetaTrader 5 step by step from scratch. First things first, install the app. For you to install the app, you go to Play Store or App Store and search for MetaTrader 5 or MT5. Install it, open it, read the terms and conditions, and then accept if you're okay with them. Then if you see an ad like this telling you to open a demo account, just close it and add your existing trading account. For you to actually trade on MT5, you need to have a verified trading account. So if you don't have a trading account yet, you can create one with the recommended broker using the link in the description of this video. But if you already have a verified trading account, this is how to connect your account to MetaTrader 5. For you to connect your account to MT5, you need login details provided by the broker in your trading account. For example, if I go to my trading account, you can see the login details I need to log into MT5. The broker's name, login ID, password and server. So when you have these details, you go to MetaTrader 5, then click on this plus icon, search your broker's name. For example, my broker's name is Deriv Limited. Select it, then enter your login details. So you enter your login ID, server, ensure you select the correct server, password, then you can save your password and log in, and your trading account will be connected instantly. Once connected, you now have access to the market. You can use the same steps to add as many accounts as you want, including live and demo accounts. The current account is always displayed on the top and previously used accounts are shown below. If you have multiple accounts on your MetaTrader 5, switching between them is very simple. You just click on the account you want to switch to, then sign in and it will switch instantly. On the bottom panel, you will see 5 different tabs. The first one is quotes, which displays real-time price of financial instruments. Then charts, which shows price movements. Trade section provides an overview of your current account balance, equity and open positions. History section is where you see a record of past trades, deposits and withdrawals. And messages sections displays internal mail, push notifications and news. To make your chart clean and professional, you can remove these grid lines, set your preferred chart style, or even change candlestick colors. So for you to customize MetaTrader 5, you just tap anywhere on your screen and you will see a radial menu appear. Then tap on settings and you will see all the settings you need for customization. So to remove the grid lines, you just uncheck this box to hide the grid lines. Then here you can change the charts. You can see the current chart is candlestick, which is the most used and recommended. So let me show you how to change the candlestick colors from this to this. You just tap on the screen for the radial menu to appear, then go to chart settings, then scroll down and select colors, then go to bar up and change the color to blue, then select bull candle and change to blue as well. The bull candle and the bar up should have the same color. So let's change the bar down to white and bear candle to white. Again, the bear candle and the bar down should have the same color. After changing the color, you save. So if you go back to the chart, you will see changes. So if you want to change the colors back to the previous colors, you just follow the same steps. And boom, simple as that. So if you want to change your MetaTrader 5 theme from dark to white, you just go to your phone settings, go to display settings and change your phone theme to light or white, and then your MetaTrader 5 theme will change automatically, as you can see. And if you want to change it back to dark theme, you go to phone settings again and select dark theme, and boom, that's how simple it is. So now let me show you how to add and remove assets. In the quotes section, click on this plus icon and you will see all the assets provided by your broker. Like here you can see the Reef broker has so many assets to trade, so you can choose any asset of your choice by just opening the folder and select the assets by clicking on these plus icons, and the selected assets will be added in the quote section automatically. So if you want to open the assets chart, you just tap on the asset you want, then click on chart and the chart will open. So you can now do your analysis and start placing trades. If you want to remove assets, you just click on this pen icon, then click on this bin or delete icon. You just select the assets you want to delete by checking on these boxes one by one, then click on delete icon and they will disappear. If you want to delete all of them at once, you can just mark all of them by clicking here and all of them will be selected, then you delete. Now let me show you how to change time frame on MetaTrader 5. You tap anywhere on the screen and the radial menu will appear. Then you will see time frames displayed from 1 minute to monthly time frames. Then you select time frame of your choice based on your strategy. Another way to change time frame on MetaTrader 5 is by clicking here, and the time frames will also be displayed from 1 minute to monthly. Then you select the time frame of your choice. Now let me show you how to analyze the market on MetaTrader 5. In MetaTrader 5, you can use technical drawing tools or indicators to analyze the market. So let's start with the drawing tools. Tap anywhere on the screen for the radial menu to appear. Then click on this shapes icon. After that, click on this plus icon and you will see different types of drawing objects. Select any object of your choice, for example a rectangle, then start drawing on the chart. You can position it anywhere you want. You can also use these dots to adjust its size and position. If you want to change its color, just tap on the object, then click on this pen icon and click here to change the color. Choose any color you want, then click OK and save. If you want to duplicate the object, simply tap on it, then click here and it will duplicate immediately. You can add as many drawing tools as you want for your analysis. If you want to delete an object from the chart, tap on the object you want to remove, then click here to delete it. Tap on the object, delete. And if you want to delete all the objects on the chart at once, just tap anywhere on the screen for the radial menu to appear, then click on the shapes icon. After that, click on this delete icon, then click here to select all the objects and delete them. Now let me show you how to add indicators on MetaTrader 5. Click on this icon and click on the F icon. You will then see all the indicators available on MetaTrader 5 and choose any indicator that fits your strategy. For example, if I select Bollinger Bands, it will be added to the chart and you can use it to analyze the market. Now let me show you how to place a trade on MetaTrader 5. Before I do that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing now and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to be notified. There are two ways to place a trade on MetaTrader 5. Market order, pending order. The market order means placing a trade immediately at the current market price. For example, if I want to place a trade, I just click here. One click button will appear, then set your preferred lot size. A lot size is the amount of money or volume you are using to open a trade. It determines how small or big your trade is and how much loss or profit you can make. The bigger the lot size, the bigger the profit and the bigger the risk. The smaller the lot size, the smaller the profit and the smaller the risk. So after setting the lot size, you can click on the sell button to place a down trade or click on buy button to place an up trade. So if I click on it, the trade will open instantly. Now that means that I expect the price to continue going up. And if I click on this sell button, a down trade will open instantly. That means that I expect the price to continue dropping. In MetaTrader 5, you can place as many trades as you want according to the size of your account. As you can see, I have 2 trades running, so let me add another one with a different lot size. Let me increase it so that you can see the difference. Then I press the sell button and you can see now I have 3 trades running in a loss because of the market pullback. The last trade is in a big loss compared to other trades because of the bigger lot size, and I also expect big profit when it goes into my direction. So when the trade is in a loss, it will turn red, and when it's in profit, it will turn blue. Here is where you see the total profit or loss for all running trades. So let's wait and see if it will turn blue. Alright, you can see the price is now pushing down and the trades are in profit, and you can see they turned blue and the last trade is in a big profit because of the bigger lot size. So for you to close a trade, you just swipe left on the trade you want to close, then you click here, then you close. You can see the trade has been closed. If you want to close all the trades at once, long press on one of the trades, select bulk operations, then close all positions and all the trades will be closed instantly with some profit. If you want to see all your trade history, you just click on history section and you will see all your trade history. Now let me show you how to set stop loss and take profit on MetaTrader 5. So first you have to place a trade. Let me increase the lot size and sell. So after placing a trade, you tap on it, then this menu will appear. Then you will see SL, which means stop loss, and TP, which means take profit. For example, if I tap on TP, you will see a green horizontal line appear on the chart. Then you drag it to the position where you want to take your profit. You can see if I drag it down, the profit I will get is shown here. So the more I drag it down, the more profit I will get. So let me put it here to get $1,538 profit. Then click on this arrow, then modify and done. The take profit is placed. To place a stop loss, you tap on the trade again and this menu will appear. Then tap on SL and the orange horizontal line will appear on the chart. Then drag it to wherever you want to place it according to the amount you are willing to risk. So let me put it here to risk $412. Then click on the blue arrow and modify, done. The stop loss is now placed. So if you tap on the trade, you will be able to see the amount risked and the profit expected from this trade. So here I have risked $412 to get $1,538 and the trade is currently at $700. So that means if the price hits the take profit line, the trade will automatically close with $1,538 profit. And if the price hits the stop loss line, the trade will automatically close with a loss of $412 out of $10,000 in my account. The good thing about stop loss is that you can use it to trade risk-free by trailing the stop loss. So as the market continues moving in your favor, you can also move the stop loss further to secure some profits. This is called locking in profits. So if the market reverses and hits the stop loss, the trade will close with some profits. So for example, if I move it here and modify, you can see I have secured $332. So let's wait and see how it will end. So this is what I was talking about. You can see the market failed to hit my TP and decided to reverse, and now it's about to hit my stop loss. And boom, stop loss was hit and the trade closed automatically with some profits. You can see the profit was added to my account balance. So that's how secure your account is with stop loss. So now let me show you how to place a pending order on MetaTrader 5. A pending order allows you to set a trade that will automatically open when the market reaches a specific level. This means you don't have to wait and enter the trade manually. So to place a pending order, click on this clock icon and you will see different types of pending orders. The commonly used pending orders are buy limit, sell limit, buy stop and sell stop. A buy limit is used when you expect the market to drop lower to a specific level and reverse. A sell limit is used when you expect the market to rise higher to a specific level and reverse. A buy stop is used when you expect the market to continue moving up after reaching a certain level. A sell stop is used when you expect the market to continue moving down after reaching a certain level. So after placing your pending order at your preferred entry, you can also set your stop loss and take profit levels by clicking on these SL and TP buttons. And that is how to use MetaTrader 5 on your smartphone. As a beginner, make sure you practice everything step by step until you become familiar with the platform. Also remember to always use proper risk management and never trade without a strategy. If you want to learn more about trading, you can visit my website at Abissons.Traders.com for more educational content and resources. If this video helped you understand how MetaTrader 5 works, make sure to like the video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss the next tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.